Hello guys, my name is Balajied Kharkongor and welcome to my channel. So it's been a long time since I last upload the last video. It's been 3 weeks because of holiday, so I didn't do anything. I apologize for that if you guys want to see video but didn't get to do so. Now we're back with another video. So today we'll look into some of the Khasi Youtuber that I watch and I find it nice and encouraging, and also they work really hard. So the first one is Lyndon, and let's look into one of the video. So don't forget to subscribe to her. Her name is Lyndon, and Lyndon, if you're watching this, I encourage you to continue to upload video because it will be very nice. Okay, let's move on. Okay, the second one is Jlaw Dohtir channel on YouTube. This is a funny channel, funny video channel. So this guy is really good at acting and making us laugh. This is one of the Khasi Youtuber. Let's look into one of his video.
Nadu bangayo eya pay long beti kumba sho kasnge kam tam le kipnit long beti kumba bam orbit jing ba brau jong pay kori long tekum aktres ha tibi bandar ke lele wo ko mai ngam nang ong
That is really good. Okay, the next YouTuber is Storyteller Lyndon. Okay, that I think I get it right. He's a film music video YouTuber. He upload funny video and also funny film and music video. So he is regular on YouTube and he has grown really big. And let's look into one of his video.
Like my channel, please tell to your friend. If you don't like, please tell me so that I can make it the best. Thank you for watching.
So don't forget to subscribe to his channel. So let's look into another YouTuber. So the next 3 YouTuber are my friends who play guitar fingerstyle. So Ame Nongse is a musician. He play guitar fingerstyle and also sing. Let's look to one of his video. forget to subscribe to his channel, support him, and he needs more of that. Okay, the next YouTuber is Lawanpat Marpan. He play guitar fingerstyle and he needs more subscriber. Let's look into one of his video. Don't forget to subscribe to his channel and support him. Okay, the next YouTuber is Wanjopthiaw, James. So he is really good, and I can say that because of his fingerstyle is top notch, and you should consider subscribing to his channel and support him. So let's look into one of his video. So don't forget to subscribe to his channel and support him as always. Okay, the next YouTuber. Okay, the next YouTuber is Iai Khongdup bracket KCI KD011. He is I think they are collaboration with one another. Let's look into one of his video. So don't forget to subscribe as always, support them. That's all. Hey guys, thank you for watching that Khasi YouTuber I have compiled. I hope that you liked the video, and I request you guys to, if you want me to feature you in your video, you can contact me. And there are many Khasi YouTuber out there that I find, but I couldn't compile it here, and it will take too much time. So I apologize if you guys are not here in the video, but maybe you can contact me if you want me to put you in the video. So I think that's all, and don't forget to subscribe to them, support them, and if you want to see more of their video, you go to the name that I have put in between of the video. You type the name in the YouTube YouTube page, and you'll see the name, and subscribe and maybe watch their video and support them. Thank you so much for watching this video. subscribe if you aren't already, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace. Look at the view.